Hi. Okay, no, Pippa. Good morning. I'm Brooke. This is Pippa. We live out of my Honda CRV full time. If you don't know, Pippa just drank a bunch of water, so she's coughing. But we just woke up, kind of, and we are gonna do a typical day in our life when we're staying at camp video. There is no typical day in our life at all. Like, none of my days look the same really ever. But I'm just gonna film today and we'll just see how today goes, I guess. We got up at, what time did we get up, Pippa? Oh, did you get me up at 4:45? Yeah, Pippa likes to get me up super early. So Pippa got up at 4:45 and ate. And then we went back to bed. It's currently 9:24. I'm back to sleep obviously for a little bit because we're not leaving the campsite. I don't need to go to the grocery store before it gets too hot or go to the gym before it gets too hot. My hair is clean. I actually washed it last night, even though it looks crazy. Obviously I just slept in it. And we just got back from walking around just so Pippa could go to the bathroom. Oh my gosh, my Fitbit is going crazy. But we haven't gone on a walk yet or anything. We're just kind of like taking it slow. Oh, there's marshmallows in this. I got marshmallows. But I found this. This is an energy drink mix that I got at Walmart. It's pretty reasonably priced. It doesn't have any sugar in it, and the caffeine that comes from this is from green tea. So this doesn't hurt my stomach at all. It tastes pretty good, and I just make it as a drink. They're just little drink packets. So I put them in my water. So I'm gonna make my little drink, and then I literally sit here in the front seat while Pippa like becomes ready to go for a walk, because sometimes like she's not ready yet, which is funny to me. But I literally will sit here then, and I will go through my DMs, and I will go through my YouTube comments, and I will go through my TikTok comments and answer them. That's what I do in the morning. It's kind of a bad habit of mine because starting my day sometimes when people are really negative is a little rough, but that's what I do in the morning, and that's realistic. I do scroll on my phone, and so that's what I'm gonna do. You ready? Stay out of that. Where are we gonna go? Where do you want to go? You can go for a walk? It's gonna be hot today. It's gonna be steamy today, Pippa. It is going to be steamy. Did you do good on your walk? Yeah, you did. All right, let's get this car set up for you. All right, now is setup time. So I just rolled down all the windows. The sun is coming up from the back, so I'm gonna keep my back sunshade in and my side ones in. You'll see it. But now I'm gonna make the bed, set up my solar panel, like do all this stuff to like set up camp. done. Power does blue have 60%. How much does my Jackery have? 16. Okay, Jackery goes first today. And now we are done. See, it like plugs in, and I just set it up front. So in the summer, when it is hot outside, I put the sheet over the bed. Not only does the sheet help keep the car clean, but when it's hot, it's cooler for Pippa's body to lay on than the blankets or like the fleece blankets. I know she seems hot right now, but we literally just got back from a walk and I'm like still red from walking. We usually walk around like a mile and a half. Today she had to be on a leash because the other night here I saw a bobcat, which I'm not scared of for me personally, but Pippa is under 30 pounds and I looked it up online and it says that they're pretty skittish if they're with a human, but they will maybe go after them. And if you can't hear, there are people out with their four-wheelers and their razors and their side-by-sides and all that stuff. And there's a lot of like twists and turns on the road that we were walking on. And so I keep her leashed because that's safer. During the week, you've seen clips, we walk obviously unleashed because there are like no people here. This place is just really busy on the weekends, so I like to be aware of that. Plus I don't know if people have other dogs out, animals, etc. There are moose here. I saw 2 moose the other night. When I saw the bobcat, I didn't get a video because they were way too close to the car. I didn't feel safe getting out of the car to get a video of them because they were in the trees. But same thing, I just don't want Pippa accidentally spooking wildlife that's maybe already spooked by like the commotion of like the area that's going on. So I'm not going to eat breakfast this morning because it's already almost 10. It's 10:11 right now. I'm going to sunscreen up and bug spray up because the mosquitoes here have been really bad lately, and I'm gonna sit outside and edit, but Pippa is going to sit in the car and she's going to be fine. Aren't you, Pip? So we'll check back in. I literally just have 2 chairs so I can like put my feet up when I'm sitting here, and I'm close enough to the car that Pippa can see me so she doesn't like freak out. And then I keep out like my water, a scrunchie if like my hair bothers me, my actual phone, pens, and I have my Kindle out here in case I get like restless. I do like in-person Sudoku as like a brain break, so I always have that out. And then I have these 2 notebooks which are my YouTube notebooks, but these are like literally all my notes of like things I want to say in videos, and so I like write everything out before I film so I don't come off super disorganized, I guess. And then this one has like literally every idea anybody's ever mentioned or asked about or anything like that, and I keep like adding to it, and then I just mark them off as I do them. And then this one has like some TikTok stuff in here and like other notes, so you can pause it and like I don't know, find out my secrets if you want. I just sit here and I just look at the scenery, and then my solar panel sits there in the sun. I do have to move it around. That's what my car looks like with the screens and stuff on it. So yeah, that's just what we're doing today. Okay, I just sat outside for probably like 45 minutes to go through my first video. I have to insert talking in it. It's only 11:15, so I'm gonna get ready really quick to film. So I took all of my notes for this. Is going to be, you're watching this in the future, but this is going to be my Durango to Denver vlog where I explain that I have a passenger seat back. And so yeah, I'm gonna get really, really quick and I'll like let you watch. I can use you guys as like my mirror. Okay, I just put some dry shampoo in my hair. I normally don't, but it was really flat for me sleeping on it last night. I'll show you what I use. It's the Naturally Batiste. Be careful though, because it will dry out your hair super fast. So either make sure you're using an oil on your ends or you aren't using a lot. Just so you know. Also, if you guys didn't know, my hair was like literally hot pink last year, and that's why my brush is like this. Damn, and this is what it looks like when I don't have everything up. So this is like, oh, are you ready to go, Pamela? Are we leaving? We're not leaving. But then I start to get kind of red because I get hot up here, so I have to do it super quick. That is what it is. So I'll be back after I film, and you guys have already seen this video, so it works. I just got done filming that video. It is Friday, so it does actually have to go up today. So I'm a little off because I had my brand deal go live this week and I didn't anticipate it going live early. So I'm a little messed up on editing, so I have to edit it and upload it today, but it's a pretty simple video. It's not too many clips. So I'm gonna go sit back outside and edit that video really fast and upload it, and then hopefully we can eat some lunch. Okay, this probably looks different because my work phone is right there uploading my video, but it is almost 1:30 and I am now starving and getting hangry and annoyed. So I need to make the biggest salad of my life. So let's do it. All right, here she is. It is romaine, green onion, red onion, cucumber, radish, and some carrots, goat cheese, and bacon bits. And then I'm just going to spray it with this like olive oil spray and throw a little bit of balsamic on there. And that goat cheese will get kind of melty once I mix everything up. Perfect. Also, I thought it was going to be hot today, and I'm in a sweatshirt now because once the clouds like rolled in and I think it's about to rain soon, it got chilly. So I am going to eat this and I'm going to watch an episode of Catfish and enjoy my lunch. So I'll see you guys after. Oh, it's windy. All right, checking in. It is 2:30-ish. I'm done eating. My video is live. Everything's uploaded. Everything's all good. If you can't tell, it's super windy now and it cooled off, like I said, and then it'll heat up again, and then now it's really cold again. So gotta love that weather at elevation. Now I'm just sitting here. I was going through my emails really quick. I don't know what I'm gonna do now for the rest of the day, but I don't know. How long did I work? That's a typical like filming work day for me. If it's too windy to sit outside, I'll probably just sit in here and actually finish editing now Monday's video so I can take the whole weekend off. That's what I do sometimes. But other than that, I'm probably gonna go sit outside even though it's kind of windy and literally just play Sudoku and listen to a podcast. The one I'm listening to right now is Two Girls, One Ghost and Box of Oddities. I know that may not be everybody's thing, but I like ghost and weird historical oddities. So if you need podcast recommendations, there you go. But you have to really be into like odd things, I think, for that. So yeah, and Pippa's probably just gonna take a nap because she just ate, so she's usually like down and out after she eats. Okay, Pippa took a fat nap and she's still down and out. And then I have been snacking on these gluten-free everything bagel chips, and I sat outside for a while. Then my phone was dying, so I came back in here to charge it and hang out with Pip for a little bit. I scrolled, but I also ended up editing 2 of my videos for next week, which is great because I'm in like work mood today for whatever reason. So I guess this is like a typical working day in the car. I didn't mean it to be that, but that's what today turned out to be. And so I got super motivated, did all of that, got all of it done. All I have to do now is like a couple voiceovers, and I have to shoot a couple clips to insert, and those can get uploaded. And I am going to end this vlog here so I can do like a nighttime routine at some point, so you guys can't see that part. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with us today. I get a lot of questions of what I do all day, and honestly a lot of it is work, and then a lot of it is like downtime between work, like eating and just like scrolling on my phone and then playing puzzle games and listening to podcasts. So I am a typical person just like everybody else, and I will see you guys on the next one. Say bye, Pippa. Bye.